Welcome to On Chemistry. This is Organic Chemistry series. Daily one question for you. Here you have four different hydrogen atoms. All are in the acidic position. P, Q, R, S. P is alkyne, Q is acid, R is phenolic OH, S is sulfuric acid OH. You have to find among the four which is least acidic. The question is about priority, meaning which effect is dominant over other. If you look at the Q, you can straight away eliminate because it's an acid, so it's a better acid, so it is relatively strong acid. If you look at the R, it's a phenolic OH, it's also acidic. If you look at the S, anion stabilized by sulfur like sulfuric acid, so it's also strong acid. So only possibility is B, it's a weak acid. But you can learn in other way also. The strength of electron withdrawing ability. Hybridization is the least one, then comes inductive. Mesomeric is the stronger one. So the concept you have to learn here is hybridization is the weak force, which will be lesser than inductive and mesomeric.
That's all from this video. Thanks for watching. If you have any suggestion or feedback, comment below.